The use of precast components during bridge construction is a technique that can speed up the construction process and increase worker safety. Texas has been prefabricating deck panels, girders, and bent caps for years, but bridge columns are typically cast in place. In TxDOT Project 0-7089, the Texas Department of Transportation and researchers with the Center for Transportation Research developed design recommendations and standards for precast bridge columns.
So Texas has been moving towards this idea of accelerated bridge construction now for a few decades. And really the last piece of the puzzle for the main construction of bridges is the column.
Currently in the state of Texas, these are cast-in-place elements. And within the context of this project, we worked on precast concrete solutions for the columns in bridge substructures. The precast concrete shells to be used in column construction were built at a precast yard, shipped over to our laboratory, and we ended up completing the construction in a total precast type of setting, and actually tested the structural behavior of those elements at Ferguson Structural Engineering Laboratory. In understanding the behavior that we observed in the laboratory, we needed to construct finite element models and try to study the behavior of force transfer from bridge decks all the way to the foundations in a more comprehensive manner. And that was also accomplished at Ferguson Lab.
The key finding of this research was a large-scale test results that proves that we can use a precast column in a real-world scenario using an accelerated bridge construction idea throughout the project, and all of that can be precast ahead of time, allowing shorter construction times and less impact to our road users.
We have now precast concrete solutions for typical bridge columns, and their strength and their overall deformation behavior and their projected behavior under anticipated loads are no inferior to and certainly superior than the current standards that we have. And with that in place, implementation of the research findings will likely to produce wonderful results in terms of reducing construction cost and certainly improving durability.
For more information and to find the publications for this project, please visit the TxDOT Research Library at the link shown below.